So the first question, do you know about the Agile methodology?
Sorry, your voice is too low. Can't able to hear. Can you repeat the question
Okay,
again?
sure. So do you know what is Agile methodology?
Yeah.
Can you just explain it?
Okay. Agile methodology is the iterative and incremental approach. Okay. It consists of we will have Scrum calls and then sprint meeting, reviews, and retrospective. All the things we have. Scrum calls.
Okay, you're fine. So what is definition of done in Agile methodology that we follow?
Sorry, Agile methodology.
Definition of done in Agile methodology.
Definition of done means if all the things, if all the tasks are completed, then it's the definition of done.
Do we have any specific criteria for that?
I think yes.
Okay, so can you explain those criteria? No? Okay, fine, not an issue. So tell me, as you said that you have found the performance issue. So how do you find a performance issue? Do you have used any tool, or what was the thing that you used to find a performance issue?
I use JMeter to find the performance issues.
Okay, so how to pass the test data in the JMeter?
Pass a test in Agile method.
Test data in the JMeter. No? Okay.
No.
So what is mainly the JMeter is used for?
Is to find the performance issues.
Okay. Okay. Can you write a code, okay, to find a palindrome of a given string? So I'm just specifying the string in the chat. Can you just find, is it a palindrome or not? There are two strings. There are two inputs that will be given to your code, and you need to just find, is it a palindrome or not? Can you just write the, can you just share your screen and just write the code?
Okay, I will try.
Okay. 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 So Rajlakshmi, just explain me the logic. What will you use for doing checking a palindrome?
First, I'm getting a string. Okay, so I created that string s is equal to s dot next line, and then
Okay.
we are getting the string, and and we are using a for loop. If the I is equal to 1, the length of that string, if I is less than or equal to the length of the string, and then the string, it will match. If the length is equal, length I will suppose length is equal to reverse something. I confirm.
So according to me, just explain this for loop. Say for first time, this will execute. Then what will happen? Say I is equal to 1, I is less than s of length. So for example, length is say 5. Okay. So 1 is
Okay.
less than equal to 5. So it would go inside. Again, it will suppose this is not executing. It is not equal to that. So it will go up again. And what it will do? It will increment or decrement I? Decrement, right?
Yeah.
So it will be again 0. Your I value will be 0. So 0 is less than 5? Yes. So it will be in the infinity loop, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, yeah. So tell me, you have done automation as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. So which was the framework that you used? Did you use any framework to do your automation? No? Like page object model or a data-driven framework, behavioral-driven framework, key-driven, keyword-driven. What you used from this? No? Okay, fine. Okay, not an issue. So tell me, if I want to specify, say, priority to my test cases in automation, how the priority has been set?
Don't know.
Okay. In test engine, we have some annotations. So what are those annotations?
At before test, at the rate after test, and then at the rate before at the test.
Okay. What is an after method keyword?
Um, I need to execute the things after completing the things which we have mentioned in the after method.
Okay, fine. Okay. Um, the last question from my side. So what is the API? Have you done the API testing?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is API
Using a
testing?
postman.
Okay, Postman. So what are the validations that you have used in Postman?
Validations, validating the status code, and then validating the response body. In response body, I validate the response for a particular line, particular
Okay. So say
specific.
for example, I have a response body with say n number of data. Say for example, Amol, Govind, Raj Lakshmi, Vijay. These are some kind of data over there. And I want to, and there are repetitive also. So I just want to find, do we have Amol keyword present in that response or not? So what will be used for that validation? What will you use?
Uh, I will write test and then validating the name. Okay, equal to response body dot has a double quotes amal.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. So Rajlakshmi, tell me how good you are in Java.
Okay.
Okay.
Much people. Okay.
Okay. Tell me what are different pillars of object oriented.
Abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism.
Okay. And into that, what is abstraction?
Abstraction is it shows only the essential attributes and hides the unnecessary information from the user.
Okay. And while working on any automation code, have you used that in your project?
No.
And from any of the pillar, have you used?
Inheritance.
Inheritance. Do you have any example where you have used that? Okay, you can just tell me which kind of inheritance have you used there?
I will create a child class from the parent class.
Yeah, but
That way is the behavior of parent class.
yes, but which type have you used there? There are there are different types of inheritance, right? What are those?
I don't know.
Okay, okay, no worries. And tell me what is method overriding in Java?
Overriding. Creating a multiple method. Okay. With the same name in the same class.
Within same class. And then what is method overloading?
Method overloading. Creating same method as in the parent class in the child class. Creating a same method in child class as in the same parent class.
Is this method overloading or overriding?
Overloading.
Okay. Uh, okay, no worries. Uh, do you know what is constructor in Java?
No.
No. Okay. Uh, tell me how means whenever you will create object while working on any project, might be you have created object, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how that object will be created in Java? Means how the memory is allocated to any of the object while creating the object.
Don't know.
Okay, and how good you are in the database?
No, some basics.
Basics. Okay, and suppose they while doing any testing, suppose there is one situation where you want data from table, let's say user table, then how you will fetch through SQL? You will write SQL query, right? In that case,
Yeah.
how you will write means what will be the uh, that SQL query?
Select star from a table name.
Select star or the means like only required fields, or you will do star?
If you want only the required fields from the particular table, we will specify that field name. Otherwise, we will specify as a star. If you need all the fields, we will specify a star.
Okay. And suppose, let's say we want data from different tables, like more than 2 tables. Then in that situation, how you will write SQL? Means you can just tell the concept what you will use in that case. We want data
More
from,
than 2 tables.
yes, more than 2 tables.
I think we will use join.
Okay. Okay. And suppose one last question from my side. Let's say you are fetching data from table from one of the specific column, but there are few duplicates in that, and you want only unique records from that. Then how you will write SQL in that case? You can just mention the function name or that concept. That is also fine.
Distinct.
Distinct. Okay, great. Yes, Deep, I am done from my side.
Right. Having said that, Rajalakshmi, we have come to the end of today's interview session. Do you want to ask any question to any one of us?
No, Deep. Thank you for.
Okay. Thank you for joining in today's interview. We will meet with the feedback session very soon.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you for joining. Bye.
Thank you, Rajlakshmi.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Deep and Govind. Bye.